how are you?
Okay naman.
Okay naman. Are you nervous? Were you nervous just now?
Hindi.
No,
Okay naman.
not nervous. He said he's not nervous. Okay, now, like I mentioned, your match against Team Liquid ID is one of the most awaited matches this M6, most awaited head-to-head. How does it feel like taking your first win in the Swiss stage against them?
Paramdam ko, nung kanina medyo mainit, pero ngayon, kalmado na.
Okay, now, we know that prior to the matchup, you and Aaron Shiki has a lot of heat. That one is mainit. That one is a hot. So, now that you've won against him in a best of one, what do you have to say to Aaron Shiki?
Masabi ko lang sa kanya, hindi ko pa napapatunayan yung sinasabi ko, pero alam mo na kung sino ako.
Who do you want to meet tomorrow? Those that won, who are you looking forward to meet? Because the draw will be happening after this.
RRQ.
Why?
Gusto ko malaman kasi tropa rin namin yung RRQ.
Okay, now, last question. Are you surprised to actually take this win against Team Liquid ID? Or do you think it was an easy game and you thought you could have actually won easily?
Siguro hindi naman ako nabigla, pero maganda rin naman pinakita nila, siguro mas na-execute lang namin na maayos yung laro.